All right, guys, so we got a little locker tour here. It's preseason right now, so I don't have all my stuff in here, but I got a hoodie, of course my jacket because it's really cold outside, creatine, BPN, get this at Shields. Cup, of course, I'm a catcher. Gotta protect what you gotta protect. Game hat. Won't be wearing that until practice that starts full next week. Of course, got my catcher's mitt. This is one of our team training gloves that we keep down at the facility. The Keyhole, great glove. But we keep that in the locker room or down at the facility, and we use it whenever we're catching. Just over here. And then, of course, I got my bag. You always carry this around. Obviously, if you have class or if you're studying afterwards. Some other things I'm going to bring are my cleats, of course, and the jerseys when we get them. So we will get our jerseys roughly when practice starts, and getting closer to March when we'll actually play. This thing here lifts up. You can put your cleats, shoes down there. As you can see, those are my trainers. For now, I just keep them outside. This is our locker room. We have a TV here. We write random stuff on that whiteboard. And then all of the technology is kept here. So we have the Rapsodo set up. Sometimes these are locked, but that's our hitting Rapsodo also. So pitching, hitting. This is a glove warmer. So we'll see if we get some use from that this year. This is the other side of the lockers. So right now these are just taped on. What's up, Esposito? We'll have our name tags up there soon once they get them printed out. So this is where all the catcher stuff is. This is my bag right here. Just pick that up and take it whenever we're going to the Blue, which is like our little gym, probably 20 steps away from this locker room where we do our practices. Little setup here. Usually we get the speaker, which is sitting over there right now. That speaker usually sits here before games. We get jamming a little bit. And then, of course, showers are over there. Bathroom right there. There I am. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick tour of what our locker room looks like. We have this locker room from January until the end of the season in May. So during the fall, we have a different locker room. This one is very new. So we share this with the soccer team throughout the whole year. But right now, of course, January through May, our season, we have this all to ourselves. So today is MLK Day, so we don't have class on this Monday. So I'm in the locker room now getting ready to do some catching work. So I'm gonna head out to the Blue with some of the guys. We're gonna get some reps in. We'll see you there. All right, we got machine ripping right now. Ryan on the feed. We're gonna do some smash balls first, and then we'll do some regular baseballs. Doing like a little cutter today because we're catching real pitchers now, so it's never straight. All right, this round we have righty sinkers, so it's gonna come this way. I want to make this a really violent move. It's about pocket control, but it's also about moving fast. So we're going to try that this way. What was that? I'm sitting upstairs right now in Lund Center, which is our gym athletic center. This is the weight room area downstairs. I'm working on my accounting homework. I just finished up with some of that. So now I'm going to do some video editing. It's almost 7 o'clock, so after this I'll head back to the dorm, make some, not dorm, apartment now, and make some food. After that, I'll watch the football game with my teammates, probably, just hang out for the night. And then tomorrow we'll start up class again. So now that MLK Day is almost over, we'll go back, start class tomorrow, and practice will be on Wednesday. Up some dinner. Got some ground beef, avocado, cayenne pepper. And then I just finished up some toast, sourdough bread, and have some blueberries afterwards. So, gonna eat up this dinner, watch some football. Let's get this in focus first. Oh, there we go. Eat this, watch some football, go to bed. Thanks for watching today, guys. We'll see you in the next one.